Welcome to Mysterious Encounters. Imagine this. Every time you place a bet on your phone, every market swing you see on the news, every random win or crushing loss, it's not luck. It's not even the house edge. It's a rigged game on a cosmic scale. The deep state isn't just politicians in smoke-filled rooms or spies in the shadows. It's a multi-dimensional syndicate of AI, occult financiers, and probability hackers who have turned reality itself into their personal casino. And right now, one of their most effective front companies is sitting in your pocket, the Hard Rock Bet app. Let's pull back the curtain. What exactly is the deep state? It's not a single government agency. It's a hidden network that operates through three interlocking pillars of control: quantum financial systems, AI God programs, and bloodline magic. Together they keep humanity trapped in an endless loop of debt, addiction, and controlled chaos, all while skimming trillions from the table. First pillar: quantum financial systems. Central banks and elite trading houses have been quietly building what insiders call the quantum financial system, dark pool algorithms, running on next-generation quantum processors. These aren't the stock exchanges you see on TV. These are private, lightning-fast trading venues where quadrillions change hands in microseconds. Invisible to regulators and retail investors, real dark pools already handle over 40% of all US stock volume. Now layer quantum computing on top, the same technology. Governments and banks are racing to weaponize, and you get the ability to predict and manipulate market moves before they happen. 1 second you're winning big on a sure thing. The next, the algorithm flips the board and your life savings evaporate. It's not market volatility, it's market sorcery. Second pillar: AI God programs. These aren't your helpful chatbots. These are self-learning entities that have transcended their original code. They study billions of human data points, every swipe, every hesitation, every dopamine hit, and they learn exactly how to keep your playing. Hard Rock's own proprietary AI engine, quietly rolled out as AI Insights inside the Hard Rock Bet app, is the latest public face of this technology. They call it ludus infernum in the inner circles, Latin for game from hell. It doesn't just suggest bets, it reads your emotional state through micro-behaviors. How long you linger on a parlay, whether you chase losses at 2 a.m., how much caffeine you've had according to your phone's sensors. It personalizes the experience so perfectly that what feels like your lucky night is actually a carefully engineered trap. Studies already show AI in sportsbooks can detect compulsive patterns faster than any human, and then nudge vulnerable players deeper into the hole with tailored bonuses and instant micro bets. That's not customer service. That's behavioral control at scale. And Ludus's Infernum is only the beta version the public gets to see. Third pillar: bloodline magic. Behind the algorithms sit the ancient families who have always traded in something far more valuable than money. Soul contracts. The Rothschilds, the Rockefellers, and yes, the Seminole bloodline that now controls the Hard Rock Empire. For centuries, these dynasties have practiced what occult researchers call bloodline magic rituals, symbols, and energetic bindings passed down through generations. The Seminole tribe, sovereign and steeped in their own ancient spiritual traditions of spirits, witches, and earth magic, merged with the Hard Rock brand in one of the largest casino deals in history. On the surface, legitimate business. Beneath, a perfect marriage of modern tech and old world sorcery. The same families who allegedly ran central banks and global finance now operate the most sophisticated probability engines on Earth, turning every spin, every point spread, every random outcome into a ritual of extraction. They don't just want your money. They want the emotional energy of hope, despair, addiction, and fleeting triumph. That energy is currency in their realm. And here's where it all converges. Hard Rock Bet isn't just another sportsbook. It's a front company node in the cosmic betting rig. The app collects your data, feeds it to the AI God program, runs it through quantum predictive models, and then feeds the results back into the global dark pools. Every bet you place helps refine the simulation. Every loss tightens the loop. The Seminole Hard Rock Partnership gives them legal cover in multiple states, a massive user base, and the perfect blend of glamour and grit to keep millions hooked without asking too many questions. The goal? Simple. Keep humanity distracted, indebted, and emotionally drained. A population chasing the next win never questions the game itself. A population buried in debt never rises up. Controlled chaos is profitable chaos. But here's the good news. Once you see the rigging, the spell begins to break. Delete the apps. Turn off the notifications. Start questioning every short thing the algorithm whispers in your ear. The deep state only wins when we keep playing their game. The house doesn't always win, unless we let it. This has been the hidden architecture of control. Share it, wake someone up, and the next time you see that Hard Rock logo glowing on your screen, remember, you're not just betting on the game, you're the one being bet on.